and welcome back to Actually You Life. In today's class, I'm going to show you how to do this cute braid look without doing any braids at all. Throughout this class, I'm going to be showing you how to do this hairstyle, but throughout this class, I'll also be giving you tips and tricks that you may be able to use in other hairstyles that you do. So pay close attention and let's get started. I made this hairstyle up a couple days ago when my family did their annual beach bonfire day. It's kind of reminiscent of a hairstyle I've recently done. It has like the same concept to it. I'll link it here so you can check it out. But I was on about day 2, day 3 hair, just like I am today, and I was like, I wonder if this will work for like a braided situation. And it does. Oh, I forgot to mention the whole reason I'm doing this hairstyle today is because I am going to the beach again. I am taking Sadie to the dog beach. And she has no clue what a fun day today is going to be. Now, if you're interested and want to stay tuned till the very end, I'll do little clips of Sadie at the dog beach because, I mean, come on, a dog at a beach? That's like the best thing ever. Okay, so I have brushed my hair. I've put some dry shampoo in it. Let's style. So I did originally have a middle part, but for this little hairstyle, we're going to do a side part. So I'm just gonna keep this little bit right here. And then I want a middle part going down the back of my head. Now what are we gonna do? We gotta look at the back and see how that came out. Oh man, I got it pretty perfect on the first try. Go me. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is contain one side. Now, since I'm going to put this side up first, I'm going to do this side first, and I'm going to put all this hair in a tight ponytail so it can't get mixed in on the other side. I got a rubber band on hand, so I'm just going to take this top part. Now, since this is in the front, I want this to have as much volume as possible, so I'm just going to back comb it, tease it just a little bit, get up in there to the bang part. See how that already has so much more volume and texture? We're just going to tie in a ponytail. Then you're going to split in two, and you're going to tuck through and pull. And then we're going to kind of just do that the whole way down. And if you want to, you can kind of keep little pieces out as you go. So you're just going to grab the next section. And obviously look in the mirror, check out how it's going, and kind of play with it till you get it where you want it. And then guess what? We're gonna do it again. And if you can, try to see where the last ponytail was and try to go in the middle of that ponytail to do the tuck through. And right now at this nape of my neck right here, I'm going to take the whole ponytail. Now, if I were to have been braiding, you know, you could start a braid up here and work your way down. If I was doing my other little fun hairstyle that's kind of like this, but you just actually tie little ponytails and tease in between, I'll link that class for you too because that's a super cute hairstyle too. But you're just starting from here and working your way down. This one has a little bit more involved, but still isn't that hard because it doesn't involve a braid whatsoever. And that's why I love this hairstyle, because if you can't braid, you could still do a cute hairstyle that looks like a braid. If you can do a ponytail, you can do this hairstyle, and that's why I love it. This one I did before, I always try to get it so it goes just like a little bit over my ears so my ears just not sticking out. So for this one, I am going to tie the ponytail more going towards the front of my face. Again, looking for this ponytail, seeing where the middle is, and trying to tuck the hair into the middle. So cute. And again, you can adjust, you can pull out pieces, kind of do what you want with the style. And then I have a little bit thinner hair, so if you want to, you can kind of tease in between just to add a little bit of volume on these next few ponytails. So just kind of tuck down, wrap, pull apart, and tuck, and pull, and pull. Oh my gosh, so cute. It looks like this one will be the last ponytail on this side. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Isn't that so cute? I love it so much. And then you can kind of tease the bottom here. So isn't that so cute and so easy? If you can do a ponytail, you can do this hairstyle and it mimics a braid. And now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Be right back. And here it is, a fun little hairstyle for the beach or for the pool or for maybe an amusement park whenever we're allowed to go back to those. This will keep your hair out of the face on those really hot days, and it just still looks really cute. And it's all without braids, but still getting that really fun braid look. I hope you get a chance to try this hairstyle soon, but before you do, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. And hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Ashley. I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly. If that's something you're into, please do hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, because it'll notify you and let you know when I upload a new class, so you don't miss out on any of the fun. See you soon. Having so much fun? Are you having so much fun? Good girl. Come on. Come here. Wait, a good girl. Come on. There's a lion at the beach. Look at him. Look at him. Sadie, did you have so much fun, baby? Oh, she's exhausted. She basically told me she wanted to leave.